6342, tower
19-1, please speak out 3342. Tower PSA5342 on Mount Vernon, visual runway 1.
Blue Sheep 5342, Washington Tower 1 star 32, Zurich 17, +25. You take runway 33?
Yeah, we can do 33 for Blue Sheep 5342.
Blue Sheep 5342, at the Wilson Bridge, change to runway 33, runway 33, clear for land.
Change to runway 33, runway 33 for land, Blue Sheep 5342.
PAT25, traffic just off the Wilson Bridge to CRJ is 1,200 feet, start runway 33. This is Bridge Crew. American 16, turn to 1 star 32, 014, Gulf 25, traffic 2 mile low base, runway 33, no delay, runway 1 clear for immediate takeoff.
Number 1, clear for takeoff, American 1630. American 4782, Mount Vernon, visual 1.
Medevac X-Ray 1, Washington Tower, North Altimeter 290. Cruise to Washington 5, Rover, Space Portland, Interior Fairfax. PAT25, get the CRJ in flight. PAT25, pass behind the CRJ.
PAT25 has a aircraft in flight precision separation.
American 4782 by Baton, Mount Vernon, visual.
American 472, Washington Tower 1 star 32017.
Yep, we saw it. And everybody just hold your positions, please, on the field right now.
Tower, did you see that?
American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left in 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33.
Taking heading from American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left in 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000, American 3130.
American 472, cancel approach plans, runway 1, continue.
Approach plans canceled, we're continuing.
Blue Streak 5305, I assume you saw that over to my house.
Affirmative.
Clarify what you want 478 to do. Are we going around or are we continuing?
0, climb maintain 3000.
American 472 is going around, we're going to climb maintain 3000.
Calling ground, say again.
Fire command.
Fire command. The accident happened in the river. Both the helicopter and the plane crashed in the river. It's east of the approach end of runway 33.
Is the airfield closed?
Yes, the airfield is closed. The airfield is closed.
Runways as well?
Yes, all runways are closed. Nobody's landing. No one's moving at all.
And we have clearance across all taxiways and runways, correct?
Yes, you have clearance through the whole field, all taxiways and runways.
Blue Streak 5305, I don't know if you saw it, but about 2,000 feet on our 3 o'clock, about 500 feet up in the air. It looks like there was blaze or something going over right now.
We're handling right now, stand by.
The disabled aircraft or something like that?
I believe an incident with a helicopter.
Okay.
Blue Sheep 5305, hold short of 1, and I'll call you back in a few minutes. Blackjack 3, sir. Are you able to assist with the search and rescue? Blackjack 3, do you have any kind of like searchlight or maybe anything on board that would help shed some light at the east end of the field? For Muscle 1-3, do you have any kind of searchlight on board? Okay, for Muscle 1-3, just proceed towards South Cap right now and then I'll call you back. And Blackjack 3, if you see the trucks off your left-hand side, just let me know if there's any way you can assist. Muscle 1-3, sir? Yeah, when you get to South Cab, you're going to see a lot of trucks on the east end of the field. You'll be met with Blackjack 1. If there's any way you can assist, let me know. If you're unable to do the fuel or any kind of equipment limitations, let me know. But if there's any way you can assist, let us know.
Yeah, I've got no more details than what we told you, what we saw here, but we'll continue to hold short. We've shut down 1 engine.
Right. Delta 32, if you want to shut them down or if you want to go back to gate, let me know. I don't know if we're going to resume operations in the near future. It might be about 30 or 40 minutes.
Alright, roger that. We'll wait for now, but we'll probably go ahead and shut one down too. So yeah, just let us know. Thank you.
South 2 Washington, Washington, altimeter 29901. If you can, when you lift off, just proceed to the east end of the field. You'll be met with Blackjack 1. He's over there by the approach end of runway 33. It's type aircraft. I don't know if it was CRJ 700. It was CRJ 700 series. Delta 32, sorry. I don't know if you caught earlier what happened, but there was a collision on the approach end of 33. We're going to be shutting down operations for the indefinite future. If you want to go back to the gate, highly suggest you guys coordinate with the company. Let me know what you want to do.
Alright, we'll let the company talk to them right now. Yeah, we witnessed the whole thing. If you need any information from us.
Okay, not quite yet, but just remain on frequency, and I'll give you a phone number here in a second.
All right, thanks.
Okay, for JetBlue 2523, did you witness the encounter?
Affirmative.
Okay, Delta 832 and Blue Sheep, sorry, for both JetBlue and Delta and Blue Sheep 305, a phone number, just give me 1 second.